I think people sometimes don't realize how, okay, if you're gonna run, you join a running group. If you're going to start yoga, now you're meeting with the yoga ladies. We want people to truly understand that this is about people who really want to make a change in their life, sustain that change for the long term, and be around people that will help them get there. It's not a run club, but this is a goal club.
That's right.
And it's so important to have people around you encouraging you, keeping you motivated, because many times we get down, we get tired, we get distracted.
That's right.
It is. And we've been accomplishing so much. It's
right.
incredible.
That's right. With that 30-day Name It, Change It, Do It program, we have so much to share with the people that come to our program, because we've made drastic changes in our lives, and we're here to motivate others so that they can come along on the journey. It's just amazing. And really focusing on the time management issues, which is so critical to our success, right? And managing our goals, setting our goals, and identifying our values that go behind our goals, because that's really critical for us to do as well. We need to analyze a lot in our life to really get to where we want to be. So this is the perfect place to do it with Ingrid and I at our Accelerate and Activate a Change in Your Life program.